Here is the final video of the day, lesson part 3, not lesson, sorry. And we're going to look at an object and think about which one would best fill the object. So when you're looking at a baby bottle, are you going to fill that with 2 cups, or are you going to fill that with 2 quarts? Now remember, quarts was that big red cup in my video, the first video that we saw today. So baby bottle, going to fill it with 2 cups or 2 quarts? Go ahead and circle the one you think it's going to be. I'm going to give you like 5 seconds. Okay, and you should have circled 2 cups because 2 quarts is way too big for a baby bottle. Okay, number 8. A fish tank. Is that going to be 5 cups or 5 gallons? Think about that for a minute. Circle the one. Are you going to fill a fish tank with 5 cups or 5 gallons? I'll pause. You are going to fill it with 5 gallons. If you tried to fill a fish tank with 5 cups, your fish would not survive because there would not be enough water in the fish tank. Okay. Number 9, a tea kettle. Now this is like a very small pot. You might use these. It's like the size of a small pot. Okay, but tea kettles, you make tea on it. So are you going to fill that with a pint, like a water bottle, or a gallon? Think about it. Pint or water gallon. Circle the one you think. And you should have circled a pint. The tea kettle is way too small to hold a gallon of water. Okay. Number 10. This one should be pretty easy. A drinking glass. Is that going to be filled with a cup or a pint? Circle the correct answer. So you're going to fill a drinking glass with a cup because we talked about that in the beginning of the lesson. We fill these with a cup. Okay, number 11, a snow globe. Are you going to fill this? If you fill the snow globe with water, would you fill it with a cup of water or a gallon of water? Please circle the correct answer. You're going to fill it with a cup of water. I do not know any snow globes that are big enough to hold a gallon of water. If there is, that's a fantastic snow globe, but it is not very realistic. So you should have circled a cup. Moving on to number 12. Are you going to fill a bathtub with 30 cups or with 30 gallons? Circle the correct answer. Now, I know it seems like a lot to say 30 gallons. That seems like a tremendous amount of gallons. But if you only put 30 cups into a bathtub, it would not be very full. So you're going to fill it with 30 gallons. Okay, so you should have circled 30 gallons. Okay, moving on to 13. It says last one for the day. It says Jamie makes a shopping picnic with his 4 friends. He estimates that he'll need 5 quarts of lemonade for the group to drink. Do you think it is reasonable? Bear! Shh! Explain. So now remember, a quart was that big, huge red cup that I showed you. It is a little smaller than half of a gallon. So think about it. Are his friends going to each drink a quart of lemonade? That seems really a lot of lemonade. So I would move it down to either 5 cups of lemonade or 5 pints of lemonade. Okay, so I would say that his estimate is not reasonable and that he should either estimate for cups or for pints. Okay. So for today's homework, it's going to be a little different. It's going to be on this class kick lesson. Since we're only doing half of a lesson day, I'm going to do it on class kick. So you're going to need to go to the next page on the PowerPoint, and you're going to need to fill out the class kick. Okay, make sure you do this or I cannot give you points for math today. Okay, otherwise, I hope you have a great day, great Monday. And don't be afraid to message me on Gmail or Google Hangouts if you have any questions. Have a great day, guys.